Welcome to the course. In this presentation, we can see an awareness on women's health issues during COVID-19. Introduction. At present, the world is facing a global health crisis affecting people in diverse and drastic ways. COVID-19 has deepened pre-existing inequalities and exposed gaps in our systems, amplifying the effects of the pandemic. The multi-layered effects of COVID-19 have been allocated for women and girls. Now see, physical distancing and stay-at-home orders had larger implications for women in every sphere of their lives. Nearly 70% of women work in the informal economy. They hold less secure jobs, earn less, and save less. It is difficult to imagine a time where there was a much anxiety and uncertainty for individuals and societies about what the future may hold. While the virus itself is unlikely to directly affect us all, but most will experience varying levels of psychological distress as a result. It's undoubtedly a significant psychological impact also associated with COVID-19. We have considered economic, social, political, and human rights factors and the challenges of women face in maintaining health and managing their lives in the face of societal pressures and obstacles. Collectively, we must resize the moment to work together and to provide essential health intervention to everyone and to build back stronger. And also our family members may use deliberate and neglectful tactics to exert power. That means continuously finding fault with them and threatening to cause harm.